Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat streaks. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Snapchat. So let me open Snapchat. Okay, once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on settings on the top right, and here you need to scroll down, and here you need to click on I need help. And once you are on that page, here you need to search for Snapchat streaks. So here you can see that you simply need to click on that, and here you can see that I lost my Snapchat streak. You simply need to click on let us know, and you can see there are different options. So you simply need to click on I that is that I want I lost my snap streak. Okay, so here you can see that you simply need to add your username, your email, your mobile number, your device, your friend username. When did you start having this issue, your issue date, and how long was your Snapchat before it expired? Did you see the icon? And here you need to mention the detail, and then you need to click to send. Once you've done that, then the Snapchat team will contact with you in 1 to 2 days on your email and help you recover your Snapchat streak. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.